Hello friends, welcome to Simplified Biology. Today's topic is enzyme classification with its mnemonic. Classification of enzymes. Enzymes can be classified into 6 categories: oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, isomerases, lyases and ligases. Now, to remember them, the mnemonic is over the hill or on hilltop. Let's start with over the hill. O of over is for oxidoreductases. T of the is for transferases. H of hill is for hydrolases. I of hill, isomerases. L of hill, lyases. The second L is for ligases. Same on hilltop. O oxidoreductase, H the same here, hydrolase, I isomerase, lyase, ligase, while T of top is for transferases. Oxidoreductases. Now these enzymes catalyze oxidation reduction reaction, or you can say they transfer electrons from one substrate to the other. They are referred as redox reactions, where a reduced substrate reacts with an oxidized substrate. The reduced one becomes oxidized while the other one becomes reduced. Examples of oxidoreductases are oxidases. Best example of which is cytochrome oxidase, used in the electron transport chain, where the final acceptor of electron is oxygen. Next, dehydrogenases. Dehydrogenases, a lot of examples are there in the Krebs cycle and glycolysis. One such example is succinate dehydrogenase, which catalyzes the conversion of succinic acid into fumaric acid. Reductases, example nitrate reductase, that converts nitrate into nitrite in nitrate assimilation. Peroxidases are found in peroxisomes, where they reduce the hydrogen peroxide that is formed. Oxygenases incorporate molecular oxygen into the substrate. So difference between oxidase and oxygenases: oxidase passes the electrons to the molecular oxygen, while oxygenases incorporate molecular oxygen into the substrate. Next, transferase. They catalyze the transfer of functional group from one molecule to the another. Like B is the functional group which is transferred from A to C. Example of transferase is transaminase enzyme that catalyze transfer of amino group. Like in this, glutamic acid reacts with oxaloacetic acid. The amino group of glutamic acid is transferred to oxaloacetic acid, due to which oxaloacetic acid gets converted into aspartic acid, while glutamic acid forms alpha ketoglutaric acid. Kinase enzyme. Kinase enzyme is used wherever ATP is being used or is being formed. Kinase enzyme catalyzes the transfer of phosphate group from ATP to glucose to form glucose 6-phosphate. Next are the hydrolases. They catalyze breakdown of substrate by adding water. This is also known as hydrolysis. Now, like AB is a compound which is broken down by the help of water, where hydrogen gets attached to A while hydroxyl gets attached to B. Best example of hydrolases are all the digestive enzymes. Like amylase is used to hydrolyze starch. sucrase, sucrose, protease, proteins, lipase, the lipids. Another example is lysozyme. Lysozyme acts on the peptidoglycan cell wall of bacteria. It breaks the glycosidic bond formed between N-acetylglucosamine and N-acetylmuramic acid. Phosphatases, they remove the phosphate group, while nucleases, they break down nucleic acids. Next, the isomerases. Isomerases cause rearrangement of molecular structure. They are of three types: isomerase, epimerase, and mutase. In isomerase, for example, aldo group is converted into keto group, glucose being converted into fructose. Epimerase, position of the carbon group is changed. Like xylulose 5-phosphate is converted into ribulose 5-phosphate. And mutase, the position of the side group is changed in this. Like in glycolysis, 3-phosphoglyceric acid is converted into 2-phosphoglyceric acid. Next, lyases. They catalyze removal or addition of a group without hydrolysis. Means they can join substances or break down them without using water. Addition of group to double bond or removing a group to produce a double bond. Example, decarboxylase, where pyruvic acid undergoes decarboxylation, means the carbon dioxide group is removed to form acetaldehyde. This we study in anaerobic respiration. Aldolase, it breaks down fructose 1,6-diphosphate into dihydroxyacetone phosphate and phosphoglycerol aldehyde. This we study in glycolysis. Aconitase. Aconitase converts cis-aconitic acid into isocitric acid during the conversion of citric acid to its isomer isocitric acid. And last, the ligases. They catalyze joining of two molecules with the help of energy, or you can say by utilizing ATP. A reacts with B and with the help of ATP, AB is formed. These enzymes are also known as synthetase, like citric acid synthetase, where oxaloacetic acid reacts with acetyl coenzyme A to form citric acid. Next example is amino-acyl tRNA synthetase. This is seen during the charging of tRNA in protein synthesis, where amino acid reacts with its specific tRNA to form amino-acyl tRNA with the help of ATP. And last, DNA ligase. They help in joining fragments during DNA replication. Thank you for watching.